Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are talking keto on the go. So if you're wondering what you can eat while being on keto and, hitting your favorite fast food place, I got you. So let's see what we can eat. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to do something a little different. I've showed you guys how to order keto at Starbucks, what you can eat at home, meals you can make. And I know a lot of people are really busy and they are on the go and they're, want to know, if I'm just eating out, I'm eating on the run, what can I order from, restaurants or, quick in and out drive-thrus? I got you. Today, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you 3 different places to order for, while you're out to eat. So the first place we're gonna eat is gonna be like a mom and pop breakfast joint. So if you guys are sitting down, maybe you're going out to brunch or breakfast or whatever, I'm gonna show you what I eat. You can stay keto and all those things. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below. And because I have quite a few different places that I can hit up to share with you guys. So, all right. It's pouring and these people are flying down the street. Let's go in there, let's order some breakfast and stay keto, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so what I usually do is I'll look through. I never usually get like these omelets and stuff because they come with a ton of potatoes. The same thing with the skillet. And once you order your meal, it's mostly all potatoes, so you're not even gonna get like a good meal. You could do like a steak and eggs, that would be really good. Usually what I do is just order like some eggs and then like a side of bacon and stuff like that. Usually that's how I go. But like we don't even go to this page with all the waffles and pancakes. Oh, I just dropped my thing. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna do some eggs and some type of protein. But yeah, there's tons of options. So just stay off the pancake page is my best advice. So here is what I ordered. This is just a meat lover's omelet, but I told them easy green pepper, easy cheese, and it's steak and just eggs. I'm not eating the potatoes, and I'm gonna take those pancakes home for my kids. Leo got like country fried steak, but yeah, so, and it's a nice big meal too, so, and it was cheaper than ordering like the separate eggs and the bacon and everything. So here is your option. Just watch it and just make sure you tell them easy this, more that, you could even lie and say you'd have an allergy if you had to. So as you've seen, I went ahead and I chose just a omelet. First, I always want to do these videos. I want to do them price point realistic. I know that eating out, I don't eat out often because I think it's very expensive and I can make something similar at home for half the price and feed my whole family. But I do know that, life happens and we got to eat on the go. So when I was looking at the menu, it was going to cost maybe twice as much just to get like a bacon and eggs, like a side of each. It was actually more pricey than you would think, okay? Because usually what I would have done was been like a side of bacon, maybe some sausage, and then like 2 eggs. So that's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead, and I went with the omelet. You always customize the omelet. Guys, if you have to lie and say I have an allergy, you lie and say you have that allergy, honey. Because, if you feel uncomfortable, be like, hey, you know what, I got, a gluten allergy. I just gotta make sure there's no breading or whatever allergy you wanna say. I'm allergic to green beans or I don't know, whatever it is, okay? So it was cheaper for me to order it that way. That meal ended up costing me about $8. But I didn't eat the potatoes and I did not eat the pancakes. But the omelet was big and it was filling. So just, kind of look, and you have to dissect. You could always customize it. That's the thing that you're gonna see as a common thing in this video is you are going to, even if you feel like you're being a pain in the ass, you're really not. People understand. People have certain dietary needs. So you're going to be pretty specific with how you order and what you ask for. Don't worry about it. Just be kind to whoever's taking your order. Sometimes I even say, hey, this is going to be a little weird, and they're always really nice. If you guys didn't see my Starbucks video, I'll link it. They were totally kind about it. So don't worry about that, okay? Do what you got to do. Take your time. Take a deep breath. It's going to be fine. All right? Now let's go and see what we're going to eat next. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and order our second meal on the go, and we're going to go to Popeyes. I'm trying to think of like restaurants that you guys can kind of find. They're pretty much like nationwide, and I know Popeyes is pretty much everywhere. So that's where we're going to go. We're right by a hospital, so there was an ambulance. All right, so I'm going to order, me and Leo are going to split this because we're still full from breakfast. So I'm gonna order an blackened chicken tenders with an order of green beans, and then we're gonna get the blackened ranch dressing. If you eat this whole meal to yourself, it is a grand total of 8 net carbs, okay? So I think that's pretty great, and it's really, really good because I've had this before. I will say this, it is expensive. But again, I am not the best person to kind of rate the price of eating out because I'm very cheap and I think that eating out is expensive. But I know my kids like Popeyes, I know my husband likes Popeyes, and I like this. And everybody can eat and be happy. So let's order, shall we? Hi, can I have an order of blackened chicken tenders?
How many?
4.
Okay, we have 3 and 5.
Oh, 5 will be good.
You want the meal?
No, just the tenders.
Just the tenders?
And then can I have a side of the green beans, please?
Okay, well that's the meal.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So,
Can't see anything. Where's that even on the menu?
anything else to talk?
And then can I just have the ranch dressing, the blackened ranch dressing sauce?
You said a ranch?
Yes, please.
Does that include your order, ma'am?
Yes.
$9.54.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, look, just in my defense, I couldn't see because Leo's driving, so I had to like scream across him. Did you? I couldn't see. I messed up, okay? But I was, be nice to your people of service, okay? They working hard. But yeah, so we're gonna have that. They came in 3 to 5 pieces. And I think from the last time I remember, I want to say it's like $10. It was $9 and something.
$10.
It's $10. But they're big though. They big though. All right, I'm gonna get my little monies out of here. So we got 5-piece tender dinner. That's what it's called. Oh, it came with a biscuit. I'll give the biscuits to my kids. They like them. So it was a blackened chicken tenders, biscuit, regular green beans, and a ranch sauce. $9.54. All right. Here we go. So, ooh, it's nice and hot too. So you can see those chicken tenders are real big. And then you get a biscuit, but obviously you can't eat the biscuit, guys. And then a side of, but these are very, very good. They're very hot, so I'm not gonna reach in there just yet. But here you go. This actually would probably keep you full. For $9, it's a pretty good size. I will give them that much credit. But yeah, so here is your option for eating out on the go for Popeyes. So let's see what we can eat next. Hey guys, welcome back. It is the next day and we are still continuing this keto takeout, keto fast food video. So we are at, I don't know if you guys can see, McDonald's. Yes, McDonald's. So we are here and it's actually breakfast time. So I know that as a busy mom myself, that sometimes I'm on the go, appointments, kid stuff, whatever, and I forget to eat breakfast, or I know it's gonna be a busy afternoon and I just wanna grab something. This is going to be an option for somebody who's out for breakfast. We are gonna do a lunch option on the next one. So I'm gonna try to give you guys like 2 breakfast, 2 lunch options, or dinner options, whatever you want to do. But yeah, so we are here for breakfast. We're gonna go ahead and order. I do want to touch on this. I do follow strict keto, meaning I am not clean keto. I do dirty keto, which is, not everything is like whole, organic, preservative free, all that stuff. I kind of just, make sure I count my macros, and that's pretty much it. If you were like lazy keto where you didn't count your macros, you can probably eat out for all your meals. For me, myself, it's kind of hard because some of these meals will take up a good chunk of my macros. So today we are gonna have breakfast, we're gonna go order, and yeah. So what we're going to have is an Egg McMuffin without the bun. That's all you're gonna ask for. I know a lot of people like McDonald's coffees. Guys, you gotta stay away from them because they're full of sugar. If you're gonna get a coffee from here, you're just gonna have to go ahead and get it black and then maybe bring your own condiments to kind of drop in there. If that's, a lot of people do that. A lot of people carry around stuff with them. Do that for yourself. Maybe if you have like a protein shake or powder or something you want us to bring, that would be a great option. But all their other coffees, even if they're like sugar-free, don't do it. Don't even trust it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I have the macros for this. It's saying 46 fat, 4 carbs, and 28 grams of protein for this meal. Yeah, so that's a big chunk but it's super keto, so it should keep us full for a while. And I'm thinking this is gonna be the cheapest option. So let's go ahead, always be kind. You know, they should be pretty decent with you. So Egg McMuffin, sausage and cheese, hold the bread. Let's do this. Hi, good morning. Can I please have an Egg McMuffin?
2 sausage egg McMuffin?
No, just 1 Egg McMuffin with sausage and cheese. Can you please hold the bread on that?
Wait a minute, you want 1 egg McMuffin with sausage and cheese?
And no bread.
Okay. So just the egg, cheese, and a sausage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but that's what you order?
Yes, please.
405.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right, 405. I'm gonna take this camera down because I don't want them to get crazy. All right, guys. So I'm thinking because it is like kind of a la carte, since it's kind of a la carte, they have to make it fresh. So that's like a good thing. So they had me like kind of pull over to this reserve parking. It was $4.05. $4.05. I could have made this for way cheaper. I just can't with these takeout prices, honey. Whew. But all right, let's wait for our food and then I'll open it up and I'll show you guys, okay? Okay, so they serve it to you in like one of these big breakfast trays. I probably would suggest getting 2 of these, but they said that if you get it with like the muffin style egg, it's actually fresher. If you get it with the muffin style egg, it's definitely a fresher option. So $4, 5 cents. I don't know. Prices are the same everywhere, but let's toss it over there. So there you go. That is a keto. Oh, it's nice and hot, so you can see the smoke coming off of it. So that is your keto breakfast option to go from McDonald's. Okay, my friends, we are going to our final place in this little video here, and we are going to hit up, boom, Taco Bell. Yeah, so like I said, I'm trying to find or to use restaurants or like fast food places that I know that are pretty common in most areas. So we're gonna do Taco Bell, and yeah, we're gonna order it keto style. So let's talk about what we're gonna get, okay? So I'm gonna get the Power Menu Steak Bowl, and we're gonna tell them no beans, no rice, extra guacamole, beef, and creamy jalapeno sauce. Okay, so if we get all of that, it's going to be 260 calories, 16 grams of fat, 9 carbs, 2 fiber, and 21 grams of protein. Yeah, so far, all the things I have tried have been delicious. So obviously that omelet from that mom and pop place, very similar to something along the lines of a Denny's. Again, you just kind of go through the menu. I try to do this as cost effectively as possible as well. I'm not trying to give you guys these recipes and you guys just break the bank either, but we all know to eat out is not going to be cheap, okay? It's just one of those things. But I try to do it to where it's the most cost effective and good. So like I said yesterday, we did the omelets. I was very specific. I made sure I told them easy this, none of this, you know, and then eat the carbs that came on the side. And then we did the Popeyes, which was bomb, so good, and it was very filling, and it was hot. A lot of these things I am noticing is that a lot of these keto menus items that were, when we add them to make them a little bit more specific, is they're very fresh. So they have to cook them, you know, it takes a little while to get them, but they're a lot fresher and they taste really good. And then we had that breakfast egg muffin without the bread, and that was really, really good and very filling, which was surprising considering it's such a, you know, little thing there. But yeah, so all right, let's go to the Taco Bell. Let's see what they got to say.
You're ready.
Okay, can I have a Power Menu Steak Bowl, please?
All right.
Can I have that with no beans, no rice, with extra guacamole, beef, and creamy jalapeno sauce?
Okay.
And that's all.
I'm sorry, can you repeat your order for me?
Sure. Can I have the Power Menu Steak Bowl?
Okay, anything else?
Can I have that with no beans, no rice,
Okay.
extra guacamole, beef,
Okay.
and creamy jalapeno sauce?
You want a side of that, or are you talking about in the thing?
Just put it in there, please.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's it.
All right, your total is 701. Go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you so much. So far, the most expensive is that restaurant for, I think that one was like, with the drink, it was like $11. Then it was $10 for Popeyes. This is $7, and then the last was the McDonald's. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay, and then we'll get this food, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so here is our Taco Bell order. It actually looks really, really good. I'm actually really excited for this one. So this was a little bit over $7. It is the Power Menu Steak Bowl with no beans, no rice, with extra guacamole, beef, and creamy jalapeno sauce. And there's a little sour cream in there. This is really, really looking really good. So yeah, here is your keto option for Taco Bell. All right, my friends, I'm gonna wrap this video up, but please let me know down below if you liked this idea. I can do, a series of these. Maybe, you guys can recommend some different places you may want me to check out, so I can give you some more options. Maybe dessert places, restaurants, eat in, take out, whatever it is. Let me know down below. And yeah, so hopefully if you guys are on the run, I know I show you a lot of, recipes to cook at home, but some people just don't like to cook, or maybe it's just for them one day and they just feel like, doing some takeout, and they're driving past McDonald's or Taco Bell or Popeyes, and they're like, hey, I wonder what I can eat. Now you know what you can eat. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna eat my Taco Bell and call it a day. But thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys all so much. And please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so they will let you know every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, hey, what's up? My name's Danielle, and welcome to the crew. I hope you would stick around. We do a little bit of this keto thing, a couple days a week, and a little bit of life sprinkled in there. And yeah, we cover everything that is anything in your everyday life. So I would love for you to stick around and hang out with us. But all right, guys, I will see you on the next one. And yeah, so that's about it. All right, friends, take it easy, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.